Welcome, Dr. Deepu Gyan and Dr. Pranav Sharma to this show, Hall of Fame, and where we document all our success stories within the academy. And I'm proud, so proud to have Dr. Deepu here, who has actually got his dream, whatever he was thinking about before coming into the academy, and now he's achieved that. So we are very, very proud of it. And so congratulations, Dr. Deepu, for doing that. So let me introduce Dr. Deepu to you guys. He has a MS Ortho, and he has done fellowship in arthroscopy and arthroplasty. He established a multi-specialty OPD clinic in less than a year. Okay, and that too around 4 or 5 months. That was idle because of the corona. So ideally, I think 6 months of hard work, and he has achieved what people have think of 2 year or 3 year, 5 year plan. So big congratulations, Dr. Deepu, for achieving that milestone in your life. And this is just a start. So Dr. Deepu, can you just tell our viewers about the journey you had before starting this clinic, and how you stumble around the academy, and then what has changed, and what has been your journey?
So initially, nowadays, if you talk about doctor's journey, we are stuck with a corporate hospital or some other hospitals. Maybe it is not like the olden days. The terms are dictated by different people in the corporate. So we thought, like I myself thought, okay, if it is possible, it's been already in around 10 years post my degree. So I thought if it is possible, I'll start off something of my own. So that's how I had this plan. And what has happened is, initially the plan is simple. You just have to start up. But once you get into this, there are many statutory clearances as well as many other things which we should know. In a bigger hospital or a hospital which is setting up a second hospital, there are certain people like managers or
administrators.
Administrators. They'll take over the whole show. What problems which I had is, so if you have to start, what is the first thing? We should have a place. Second thing, where to go for license? Is it the corporation or is it the municipality or is it the local person or whom to meet? Is it the counselor or is it a state is having a particular law? So is it from there? No idea. So what I had to do is I had to find people of my own wavelength who's ready to share their experience to me so that I can also grow. Since most of them are my competitors, they may not share, but I was fortunate enough to get few of my colleagues as well as a few of my seniors who helped me share their views, and thereby I get through initial hitches. But it is not always easy to call, hello sir, can you just tell me about this? Next day, hello sir. The third day, fourth day, they'll be finally like, okay, now it is better to keep away from him, otherwise he'll eat our head.
Correct.
So,
Yeah.
At that time, I was just going through. One day, I don't know, by accidentally, I just got to know about Dr. Pranav, leadership and such things came in. So I thought I'll just attend and see, because it's almost the same path what I am thinking. At that time, what was the situation is, I had started converting I had already got the place and converting it into what I want. But the licensing procedures just started. I don't know what to do next, which to do next, and such things. That time we got into this academy, like the first initiator course or whatever we call that was gone through. So I was just like reminded of whatever I was searching for. Those things were told in a step-by-step manner. So I thought, okay, maybe like for everyone's sake, I would like to say, Amit sir as well as Dr. Pranav sir, we have no clue who they are. Only thing is, like, we are first time seeing that too. I am basically from Kerala, which is south, we have no clue who they are.
Hmm.
So I thought, okay, just attendance. We have to get something. We have to invest. I just invested and just tried what is happening. And once I invested into this particular thing, particular course, so I got to know each and everything what I'm seeking for is given a step by step. There are many things which we may not require, because I was of a plan of setting up many polyclinics in different places. That is my plan. I don't want to make a big hospital, because I am in a place, Kochi, which is having a lot of hospitals. So
Hmm.
I didn't want to go in that way.
Hmm.
So my thing was clinics. So that clinic is having certain statutory things. Hospital is having certain things which I had to sort out.
Hmm.
And this course helped me to sort out all those things. Whichever is required, I have to select, and rest, I have to keep it aside. Or as the time goes, if I think of a hospital, I'll think of that thing at that time.
Yeah.
That was how Dr. Prana helped me in my journey.
Okay. Awesome.
So it gave
Awesome.
you a new perspective of even the clinics can also work.
Yeah, it changed many perspective of my clinic also. Like I wanted to take a NABH and such things. I wanted to like go ahead with a laboratory and what is it, physiotherapy.
Hmm.
Such things, I just know I have to do it,
Hmm.
but I don't know how to do it.
Hmm.
Right.
Because it's something like, what is it? If you want a biryani, you just know it. You don't know how to make it.
Correct. Correct.
Ingredients might be there, but how to make it is a show
Yeah,
which can be made those who have experienced it.
Right.
Yeah, of course. Awesome. So glad to hear you, because this is the place where people start taking action. Okay, people know, everyone, I think everyone watching here will also in their heart wanted to have their own setup, whether it is clinic, polyclinic, or hospital, whatever, but their own setup. That is always a dream. And you have taken that the big step, because that is where people always worry about of failure or some kind of thing. So that is awesome thing. I just wanted to understand, what was the challenges, like what were the challenges you faced during the whole process, right? And what you can advise other people who are watching here or afterwards, what you can advise these guys, so that they should not follow more traditional way, and they follow a more modern way of taking these things forward.
The challenges which I have faced is like there is a traditional way which we can find all this, which
Yeah.
I was going through initially,
Correct.
like finding out from those who have done.
Yes.
So I think it's a digital age. We have to go a step ahead and find out from the, what to say, social media, net, and such things, internet. But internet is like something like, what to say, anything under the sun you can get in the internet. But how to select is the issue.
Yes.
If someone selects and keeps it in one place, you have to reward them for that. It's in fact the truth. It's what is it? Like before I told it, the biryani is ready now. Now you don't have to make it. It's already ready. You just have to utilize the.
Correct.
Yeah, eat it, or at least the menu is how to prepare is ready.
Is
You
ready.
just have to look and make it. Look and make it. I would say it would be rather than biryani is ready. The how to make is, it's just like a cookbook. It is ready.
Yes.
It's ready. Now you see and make it.
Make it. Yeah. Awesome.
Deepu, at any point of time, you had to face a mindset issue.
Everyone will have the same issue. Will it succeed? Will it succeed? Parents, family, wife, everyone will say, okay, if it doesn't succeed, what will happen? So such things will have, such things are always there. That will be there for everyone. But we should overcome that. We should go ahead. See, there is what I feel. Suppose, in India, how many accidents are happening? I'm an orthopedician, that's why I'm talking that sense. So many accidents are happening. That doesn't mean that we have to sit in the house, so that we don't have. We have to take the risk of getting onto the road, but drive safely.
Right.
Take
Awesome.
the
Awesome.
proper route, drive safely. That is what. Don't take extreme risks, but
Hmm.
go on with the flow
Yeah.
rather than
Calculated risk.
not doing anything.
Yeah, absolutely. What you are saying is taking people should take especially doctors who maybe have financial loss as at risk, but nothing else at risk. It's just everything is in mind. So if you take calculated risk, I think and do things in a proper structured manner, be in the right community of people, I think most of the people will get success. So
Indeed.
awesome. You have given a very good example of
How did you raise the finances for the setup?
Actually, finances, initially what I had to do is, uh, since I was working for since some time and this plan is always there behind my mind,
Hmm.
some finance was there.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
still, what has happened is I had to take a loan.
Right.
But I had taken from a private finance which was having a little bit higher rates.
Okay.
Hmm.
But I was happy with it. Though it is higher rates, it was a OD.
Hmm.
Since it is OD, like I thought, whenever I raise the fund, from that day onwards, the
Yeah.
interest comes in.
Hmm.
So that was the advantage which I was looking behind that private finance.
Yes.
I purposely didn't name the
Yeah,
finance.
no problem.
No. That is actually a
Okay.
good way of OD. People who are watching here, OD is overdraft facility given by NBFCs and bank as well. So you will be charged interest on the amount which is being disbursed to you, not the whole amount at once. Okay. So that is a very good facility. Whatever you take money, then the interest will start.
And one more advantage which I got from that particular MBFC is usually if you take a 10 lakhs, I'm just telling an
Yeah.
example, you get an EMI which is fixed.
Yes.
But in this MBFC, what they have told us, the interest will be paid monthly. And when you get the particular amount, you can pay back the principal.
Okay.
But that is really helpful in the initial phases, which I felt.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's not out of anyone's experience, which I felt, because there are cash constraints. So I'll
Yeah.
take whatever is required and go on with the interest. If I get a 1 month, particular month, a little bit higher amount, I'll sort out to the principal.
Yeah.
Or put it into principal and
Correct.
try to finish it off earlier.
Yes.
That was my plan. And
Nice.
the amount is already sanctioned. So I don't have to go behind people asking for money in between
Yeah.
for the working capital. And the
Yes.
working capital is never paid interest since it is already sanctioned.
Yes.
These are the things which came into my mind, which I have done. I don't know whether it's right or wrong, but
No,
I
it's,
think
it is good. It is the right way of doing it. Of course, if bank has given you would have saved 1 or 2% of interest. That is a different story. But the structure is good.
But bank, wherever I have gone, they are told from initial onwards, suppose if it is 10 lakh, today onwards, 10 lakhs is in your account, you have to pay interest for the whole 10 lakh, even if I take 1 lakh.
So
that
they
is advantage
they,
I was
they,
looking for.
they give overdraft facility to trusted parties only. So that is a
Yeah.
problem. Yeah. Understood.
Even I don't think when the CIBIL score, they take the trust. They look for
Background.
other background. They look.
Yeah.
Though the CIBIL score was good.
Yeah, awesome. If all doctors have a good CIBIL score. good. Because you guys don't default on payment, so it's a good, and a doctor's loan is easy to get. But of course, for a bigger loan, they always check whether you have some entrepreneurship experience of running a setup, and all those things are considered. And if you are new to that, banks actually will not give you beyond your personal capacity. So then you have gone to NBFC. That is perfectly right. Yeah.
So is
Or
it a
use
rented
1 or 2
facility?
accounts.
Is it a rented facility or your own?
It's a rented facility.
Okay. We also tell that start from a rental.
Yeah.
What is your experience?
My experience is, I think rented facility is better to start off because we are completely unsure of whatever is going to happen. So when we start off, we are having good perspective, or we are having a good vision. Let the vision go on. But to suppose for the same property which I am going with, it is going definitely in Kochi. It is going to be 20 to 30 times, no,
Yeah.
not even 20 to 30 times, maybe 100 times more than the rent.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Of course, 100 times. Yeah,
investing
and
that much,
yeah,
investing that much initially, then you should have again funds to
mm,
get the
Run.
medical equipment and such things.
Exactly.
And the second thing which I felt with the rented property, which I felt is like what to say, all our medical equipments are movables, which can be moved to a facility if you really feel
Yeah.
okay, rented facility if you don't want.
Yeah.
I don't think anything, even if it is X-ray which I have installed, you can just move it around. Only the fixing costs or moving charges will come up.
Correct.
I don't think it's even lab. It doesn't make a lot of
Yeah.
difference.
Yeah.
You can move these things,
Correct. Correct.
so it's okay.
That is what we usually tell people, and you are a live example for that, because it will reduce your initial cost of expense and your initial all your cost going to a fixed asset, not giving you returns immediately. It will delay your dream, and
It gives a tremendous amount of burden also.
a tremendous amount of burden also. So very good decision. And once you become big, once there is a cash flow, you can of course go and build your own setup. But initially you will also make a lot of errors, and a lot of problems will come. That will teach you on a small setup where you have a lesser risk of like losing. So now you can learn, and then you can implement when your own setup is there. So
The learning curve is not really easy for a doctor. That's what I feel.
yes,
Learning curve is little difficult.
correct.
For that matter, like even HR and small things, it's not very easy.
Yes.
You don't know how to select. Like if someone comes and suppose a lab technician, which is a recent thing which I have faced, they are saying they're ready. They can do, but we can assess that when you take an interview.
Correct. Yeah.
That is not very easy.
Not very easy. Yes.
And they say they can do. We have to believe that. They
Yes.
can do.
Yes. That is true. And nobody teaches this thing also. Na? I want to ask about the community as such. Okay. You are in this community, you are very active in Telegram group also, FB is also there, and then the Dr. Pranav Society is also there. So how do you feel to be among the like-minded people who are talking in your language?
So that's great. And I'll tell a recent example. So since I have started recently, very recent thing. Now the thing is, you have started in a okay. The one disadvantage which I had, I should tell before I go into that. Disadvantage which I had is I'm practicing around 8 kilometers away from 8 to 10 kilometers away from the present new location. So it is not like everyone know me there. I'm new to the place. So now the thing is that when you start in a new place, it takes some time. So you have to go behind publicity. It can be the traditional one or the newer digital ones. So my first contacts are like my parents, my relatives, which are they are not old generation, I won't say, but they are in the present generation, but they can't guide me into
correct
the what is a digital age or digital thing.
Yeah.
So I needed someone to help me in that, and that is not very easy to. And when we get into such a society, there are like-minded people, those who can help how to go ahead with this. Suppose this particular thing, advertisement itself, there were people telling about go ahead with Google My Business, Facebook, and you have to do many other particular stuff, YouTube. And I just mentioned the major things. There are many other things which was mentioned in the groups.
Correct.
So these are the ways how others have succeeded. So that is a time tested by other people.
Correct.
So it is always better to learn like that. So in Kerala, we have a saying. I am not saying it in Malayalam, but definitely I'll tell you it in English.
Yeah.
The saying, be like a crow, they say. Learn means see and learn. Don't be like a hen. You get the beating, then only you run. The cross, when you are about to throw itself, it sees and runs. So learn. learn from others, that would be better rather than learning from your own mistakes. First, try
Fantastic.
to learn from others. Still, you will make mistakes. No one is perfect. So once you learn from others, you are having less probability of making a mistake. Then also you can make a mistake. It's a learning curve. You have to learn from that.
Mm.
And in that aspect, Dr. Prana's society or academy has helped, because there are many people ahead of us, those who have done, those who have experienced, those who have started off other firms which have succeeded. So their experiences counts,
Hmm.
which we can't, and those people are open-minded to share it also.
Yeah.
That makes a difference. Even if they have experience, they don't share it. It's not of use being with them.
Yeah.
In fact,
So,
did you appreciate that in our community, we
Yeah,
are
there are.
telling everybody that from competitors to collaborators,
yeah.
and people are
Yeah.
ready to help.
Yeah, that
Even
should
you
be.
are helping right now.
Yeah. This is what I am aspiring at. We should help each other. It's always my dad used to say one thing, which I would like to say. There might be 10 people competing, or suppose it's a hardware shop in a particular area.
Hmm.
All the 10 people might be hardware shop. Everyone survives.
Hmm.
So you don't have to compete among yourself.
Correct.
Everyone has their own space.
Yes.
Whether
Yes.
it's corporate, or whether it's a small clinic, or it's a polyclinic,
Yeah.
or it's a small hospital or big hospital.
Yes.
Everyone has their own space. You don't have to
Absolutely.
be afraid of your competitor. Those who are willing to go to a corporate, they'll go to corporate itself. Those who are willing to go to
Correct.
small, they'll go to that. It's
Correct.
all how you work after the setting up of your clinic, and
Yes.
how people or patients believe you.
Yeah.
Rather than-
Absolutely.
Yes.
This is
Right on target.
right on target. Yes, you just said the gist of it. In India, not a single corporate can help everyone, not a government sector can help everyone, and so there is a space for every kind of setup. So people will be there for 20-bed hospital, OPD, like you has a polyclinic, there will be a market for that. And it all matters after the patient comes to you and how you treat and you give service. That matters. See, the healthcare is a business, yes, I can understand, but this is a different kind of business. This has more human touch to it. So we should not be totally capitalist, we should not be totally socialist. We should be in between somewhere in healthcare, so that we work for a profit. Of course, without profit no organization will survive, but there is a human touch to it. So if there is a problem, you can help people. And I don't think any sector or any career where you can actually help save lives, earn also money, respect, and as well have satisfied of being of service, of giving service. You can't find anything, you just tell me one career which can provide all these things. It is very rare.
This I would like to say, that's why we kept our motto of our institute: care with a difference.
Yeah.
Everyone cares. We have to care with a difference. That makes this, that
Awesome.
makes the show.
Awesome. You are on the right path. I think you will rock. Within a decade you will be a force to reckon in Kochi. So just last question from us. What is the company structure you followed for your polyclinic?
Actually, at the moment we don't have any partners or anything. It was proprietorship which I have followed.
Okay, so you are calling doctors on a consultant basis or on a fees basis?
Yeah, on fees basis and cuts basis.
Okay, understood.
Like I'm not looking for full-time people. I'm just looking for part-time doctors.
Okay.
So that they have a
makes sense.
separate setup. And the second part of the thing is that when Corona's hit, many doctors are not practicing in their house. So I'm trying to fill that gap.
Yeah, that will, yes. Awesome. And down the line you will also find a person who is of a same wavelength, so you will get partner also. So there should not be a rush for partnership. Let it take its own time. Yeah. Dr. Pranav, if you want to ask some closing remarks, and then we can close the session.
Yeah, I would just say that you have taken the first step, and it is like once a child starts how to walk on his own, then he will run. So you have started, we have seen you and you have started now. So you'll be running now and there is no looking back. Best of luck to you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Great, Dr. Deepu. It has been like delight to talk to you, and you have given some golden nuggets to all the viewers, and people who have watching it has learned a lot. So thank you so much, and all the
Thank
best
you.
for your future. Whatever you are going to be a big brand in coming days. Thank you so much. It has been.
And I wish that your multiple clinic dream will also come true soon.
Yeah.
I too have hope so.
Yeah. It will.
No, now you know how to walk, so there is no problem.
Yeah,
You will be running.
Yeah.
Thank you.
it will happen.
It will happen. It will happen. Don't worry. So this was a great interview, and I hope you guys have liked and got inspired by the journey of Dr. Deepu, and he has achieved what he has started.
So if you want to know that how we can help you, then register for the workshop, and the link is given below. Right here.
Yeah. So you can meet us live in the next workshop, and you have to register through a link which is given below the video. So register it, and we will see you inside live. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.